Joe.
We're going to Boracay!
Departure. Tapos yung ano, picture diretso.
Abo pa.
Never.
Ano yung patandaan ng mga...
Palatandaan ng mga? Mag-stop over sila doon sa building na yun, no? Tapos bababa.
Hi, classmates.
Wow, vlog ka na. Hi classmate, dito na
Oo,
kami.
mabubusan ko. Pe! Oma, video daw ah.
Video, ayan. Punta na po kami sa Boracay.
Hi pa. Video to pa.
Hello. Welcome to
Clark Airport.
Going to Boracay. Hello, welcome to
Welcome to... Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, today we're going to Boracay, no? So, ingat tayo.
Oh, sige na, pasok na. Nok. Ayun na sila. Punta sila ng Boracay.
Tutok mo pa, itutok mo na.
Ano?
Ito kinakapa akong paano buksan ito?
Ito yung mga...
Paano tatanong buksan naman?
Doon na lang tayo sa ano.
Ang bias na mag-cover tayo mo. Dali stand mo. Ay, ka na flight sa Dubai. Welcome flight to Dubai.
Ano yung bisa namin?
Ayun, kasama na.
Sige, delete. Kasama sila.
Hindi, video.
Welcome to Clark.
Dito.
Video.
Outfit check.
Hindi na, okay na. Okay na po. Wala rin naman mga 7 kilos yung mga yan.
Wala naman 7.
Motor na?
Kaya ganun mo siya parang baraha.
Kapicture tayo yung pagkaman.
Sina? Andiyan yung seat number nyo. Apat yun na ba ito yung pabalik? Ay, dalawa pala kasi pala mag-ianido.
Oo nga.
Clark to nido to yun.
Magidong tayo kanina muna kanila.
Princess. Ned. Ella. Uy, picture tayo. Picture natin. Pag ganito.
Oh, ito tayo.
Ang dali mo. Titira ko pareho.
So, may tapos na.
Antayin mo
Dali
na.
mo kabila.
1, 2.
Dito man.
1, 2.
Okay, paano naman pa? Parang mga tibang tayo, no?
Kaya ka.
Sandali mo yan.
Maganda daw sa batis na yan. 1, 2. Oh.
Oh, ito na.
Kaway-kaway na. Hello. Ah, nakagulo na.
Ito yung sinasalpak.
Uy, pwede natin. Uy, pwede
Ito
natin.
yung sinasalpak sa machine.
Ella, okay. Pasak, pasak. No, no. 1, 2. 1, 2. Isa pa, 1, 2. Ay, may isa pa.
Wala tayo dito para manood na sini. Para sini man wala.
Ay, nako.
Yan, packet na packet sa niyang lido.
Hey! May ganun pala. Hey!
Eh.
Mas
Dito na tayo. Nandito na kami sa cinema. Hello, guys.
ipatong mo dito.
Ito yung iPhone. Bibili kaming iPhone.
Mark, ipatong mo dito.
Pagtatang ko dito, oh.
Patong mo na lang.
May kupin-pil ko eh.
We're going to Boracay!
Okay, go.
Meron ako.
Group 1.
Mga early birds. Ang mga early birds. O, de? Unang-una sa pila. Ang mga early birds. Matignan mo sa'yo. Five kayo. Pakain mo na yung sarili mo. Five. Kasi sa papagay. Ikaw.
Boarding group 2, group 3, group 3.
Ay, ito pala ito. Kaya biyo mo na lari.
Hindi pala yung number.
Si suggest ka rin eh. Suggest ka rin. Wala yan pa, sasabay ka rin sa amin. Video. Video.
Kaya ka tayo, Mel. Ay, wag. Natingin ka dito, ma. Tingin ka. Diretso. Wait lang, hindi pa
Kayo na lang?
Hoy, kami na, kami na.
Sige, may anak.
Ako na. Diretso ka na. Diretso na.
Meron ba ka?
Welcome to El Nido, Palawan.
Baby James,
Pagod na.
papasok ka ba sa school, my dad? Skate pa yung bag mo?
We are here from El Nido. Now, go to Boracay. So, just wait the back of
Ang loko na. Si Garutay yung. Hindi Garutay. Ang loko na. Ah!
We will try for another approach. Our estimated time of arrival is 40 minutes past of the hour of landing. For the meantime,
welcome to Boracay. Welcome to Boracay. Oh, sasakyan. Go.
Let's
Ganda lang doon.
Welcome to Boracay.
Pwede po sarap.
Wow, dito.
Dungo. Dito, ti.
Bakit di mag-swimming ito? Walang araw.
Pwede na tayo mag-swim, kaya lang hindi mo na.
Kung naman mag-dive.
Pwede na ganito din tayo. Kaya lang. Kaya ang dami.
Ang ganda oh.
Laki nung masuki.
Yan, te. Hindi.
Manito.
Hello!
Ay, dito po. Ay, yung sunset. Dito yung sunset.
Oh, Nano. Ang ganda ng siya. Ang ganda ng kulay.
Nakakutsi nga pumupunta ka naman yung rain ng dagat.
Taka. Masakit na. Kita yung belly. Hello.
Ano narinig ko, Apo?
Okay. Ang baby namin. Sulit.
Lakad ka. Tapos tingin ka dito.
Inasal metro na lang.
Sino mabigay? Si Papa o si Ko?
Ay, mapilay ko pa. Smile, yan. Hi, pe! Ma! Bye! Bye! Kuya! Ano kinakain mo? Manok.
Michael.
Automatic sumasa.
Ginawa kami sarili ng party kayo.
Ate Sophie.
Hindi ako yung kausap mo. Babalik mo.
Ate, yan, mga t-shirt.
Madam, marami dito. Madam, bawasan na tayo.
Ang mga ganyan na t-shirt, plain.
Oo nga.
Ayan, 20 yan. Yalex yan. Maganda yung tela niya. Magkano? 20. Ito, hindi.
O yung puti nyo.
200 yung white.
Buri mo kanyan ma. O lumawit pa pa.
Mawet ang
Manuyangan ka. Dapat, dapat ang gawin mo doon ano lang.
Hindi mo kayang buhatin. Kayo naman naman.
Hindi kaya.
Hindi nga.
Kaya.
Hindi ako hirap na hirap ka. Mario siya.
Siyempre matandaan na.
Si ano, kalakas ba? Buhat mo ka rin?
Wow! Yan ay natapong binot yan.
Hindi ka naman mga mabali na. Pakli naman. Ito rin ang makama ka niya. Hindi na naman katawid talo. Pumitilo niya oh.
here in destination.
Alright guys, we are here, the first destination. First destination, which is... Wait, we are in the driver. We're asking what is this place.
Ano po sinasabi na mag-register? Oh, sige po.
Yes po. So, I think here we are in what is this? Calamansi tree. And this is my beautiful mother.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes, say hi.
13 years.
After 13 years, guys, we are complete family Lakwada. So now, yeah, with matching Sophie and my beautiful wife there, Pina. Yes. So this is So this is we call the remastered of Boracay, because we've been here in the 13 years. So after 13 years, we are complete. We complete. We are all get together in one place which is called Boracay. So please enjoy the show and God bless. Now we are entering. Sir, anong pangalan na to? Ha? Mangrove. So this is Mangrove.
Welcome to Mangrove.
We're going to
Mangrobang.
Mangrove. Let's go, guys. So they are there. Yes. So this is my beautiful younger sister. So why? This is vlog. So this is my beautiful wife. Why so very beautiful?
Sa picture, makit lang ito.
Mangrove. See? My father's talking native language.
Mag-post na.
So we're going to post. Pekam. Guys, yun stop yun. Oh,
Ano yung arrangement mo to? Oh, sige.
Usap pa daw.
Pero dito,
Yung magnita.
para makita yung ano.
Dito banda.
Dito banda dito, para makita yung ano.
Kaya doon ka kinutin naman. Wala dito ka lang.
Oh, sige to.
welcome to what you call this place?
Wala kay 1, 2, 3. Nawali na ko nito eh.
Art sign.
Kasi gato.
Upak. Upa.
Pitik lang.
Number 1.
Okay. So finish for the sign. Now, if you can see, there's a water. There's a water.
Be careful, you know.
The water.
Careful, please.
And the water is salty.
This is not big.
Oh, see, there's a fishing.
There's a piece.
See, you cannot see, right? Oh, see, now see there. See. The fish is long and sharp. See, there's a lot of trees branch. This is you call tree branch. It's like you call balite. See? Wow, too much roots. Roots, see?
There's have a fish.
A lot of roots.
There's have a fish.
There's a fish.
But
Long
it's
one.
long.
We don't know what it's called that.
I think they call it long fish.
No.
See? In the in Luzon, this one have also call it baliti. The baliti.
sis? Kala ko.
Too much roots. This is roots. Too much roots.
Ito na mag-video.
So now, this is our
And so I face the final part.
very very nice water. It's a clear water.
Kita mo kayo na-upload ko dahil video. See?
Yeah.
Sarap yan ang binit na laki lang.
The dirty.
Okay lang.
Dirty leaf, no. See?
Wow, what is that?
It's a lot.
What is that? Wow, what is that?
Okay, go. See now? Wow. Wow, see how the water is clear. There's a fish. There's a fish. See, I think I see Dory. Dory. Yeah,
Oh,
let's
there's
go.
so much fish.
Yes, too much fish in the sea. What are you doing? See, my wife is reminiscing. See, it's beautiful. Smile, smile.
Uy! Daming fish oh. Hindi ako magpa-picture kayo, Ikaw ba? Ito naman.
Tatlo kayo.
Ano na lang? Dahil ba? Grupo dun eh.
Magluko yan.
Hindi naman kasi kayo?
Tatlo muna kayo.
Ano? Grupo pa?
Magluko muna ka, magluko muna.
Kaya pa. Ayun. Aso, hindi ka tapos.
Wait, I'm thinking what I'm saying.
Lagyan mo.
So this tree we call it like this is too hot.
Ano ba tuturo mo nun?
No, this is no. When we have a saying in the Philippines, when you point something in different place, you must bite your fingernails because it's bad luck. See, too much fishing. Too much fish. The fish is long. They call it long fish.
Ganun siya, mahaba yung uso niya.
Yes, it's a long fish.
Bilawan.
Now I'm sweating. I'm sweating because it's very hot.
Mga picture mo sila, ano no?
See my mother face.
Yeah.
Very busy.
I'm so beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Oh,
Kapon, taga-din ako to eh. Nangita ko kapon. Taga-din ako. Basta naman busa ko, taga-busa ko.
what's your name?
Saling
Jandel po. Mr. Jandel.
dapat kapon. Nangita ko mga
Jan. Ah, Jan. Chan. So now we're going to take a picture here. I love Boracay. Okay. Okay. Where are you guys? That's it for now. Bye.
Hi, we here in Boracay, Tunday. We will gonna take a picture and we will gonna land tour in Boracay. Day 2. Tomorrow we will gonna go home.
Well, tomorrow we'll get go home. So that I will sulit today.
Yes.
And tomorrow we
will gonna take a picture there. Sit and that's a view. Boracay mangroves. It's so hot. So hot. And there's have a... So let's see a fish. Long fish and fish. Do you see that?
lumalaki siguro mga yan eh.
There's a meeting.
Alright. What up, vlog? Welcome to my guys. Day 2 of our tour in Boracay. So we are now in a small car. Called what you call this one? Hey, brother.
Karusa.
No, the Carusa. So now we are going to different types of Boracay. Different parts. Sorry. Different parts of the Boracay. So we will do land tour today and tomorrow.
Different place.
Yes.
In Boracay.
Yes.
With a different face.
Yes, different place and faces. So here now, please enjoy the ride, enjoy the day, and goodbye.
I-vlog mo yan, Noka.
Okay, guys.
We are here again.
What up, vlog? Welcome to my guys again. So here we go again. We are finished in our first destination.
Yes.
Now our first destination is we are already neggered. So
The second?
the second with the same neggered. After we finish our vacation, we're all neggered. So now they're watching the video.
They're watching the niggard face.
Alright. They are watching now. Now we are neggard.
They are my family. They are all niggard.
My father is very happy because of neggard.
One of the best niggard. Dalawa.
Aray ka! So we are done in our first destination. The second destination would be I really don't know what's the name, but yeah, when we get there, we're on the way. When we get there, I will tell you what's the name.
Okay.
So we are now again in the tuk-tuk. We call it this one tuk-tuk because if you don't duck, you will puk-puk. If you don't duck, you will puk-puk here. That's why we call it tuk-tuk. Tumigil ka na nga. Oh my God. No, no. This is my vlogging. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Yeah. See?
They're supported.
What? Supported what? Not like this.
Hello, Eno.
No, not Eno. It's Ernie. No, it's still the same. It's very bantot name.
Ernie Baron.
And our driver is Jakuya Janjan.
Jack ko yan.
Jak Janjan.
I see beach.
So, we'll go down.
Very enjoy your vlog. You want great view.
Where?
Para tayo kailangan ba pinabandon na dito? Ba't binaba tayo nung...
So, this is
Boracay.
We're going home.
okay. Second destination, touchdown. See you later again. Bye.
Where na the third?
Hello guys! Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys! So, we are now finished the second destination. Next, we are go to the third destination. We are proceed to third destination, which is... Kuya Janjan! What's the name next? Bohol? Tihol! Tihol! In the Philippines, we have City Hall. Here only Tihol. Right? Guys, so please enjoy the show. Next time again. Wow! Pinakil.
Hindi, video.
Welcome.
Siya po yung ano namin. Siya po yung sinabi namin.
Kinapat.
Salamat.
Anong morning sa Bisaya?
Ha? Good morning. Mayo aga.
Mayong aga.
Gandri ako.
Wa man nagka.
Sakit lang. Namin mag-view mo.
Uy, papunta na tayo sa dati.
Dito ba? Oh.
By for the destination.
Layo, lang daw. Pinatong-patong lang mo.
Ano yun? Hotel niya?
Hotel nga. Ganda naman hindi pa sa ulo yung slide yan. Paklay kasi han. Pero ang ganda oh. Paglasing ka din, talon ka na. Ay, kaya daming flowers wedding.
Meron maintenance siguro talaga dito.
Pero yung mga palat hindi.
Meron maintenance. Para ka
Yung mga palat
Wow! Ito siya.
Wala na sa New York City.
Pag dito sa taas.
Meron. Parang ganun yun yung nakita natin sa kabila.
Ayun yung parang ko. Pwede ka na sa hindi.
Mga India kasi kausap mo sa Dubai.
Katingin ka.
What a very nice place.
Ay, wait lang, picture kita. Tingin ka. Smile.
Heart.
Oh, this is the house of art. Oh my God.
Bahay ni Heart.
Oh my God.
May bahay para sa Heart. Ang laki mo. Bahay ni Heart Evangelista ni Jesus.
Oh my God. Very big house.
Pag India, ganyan. Kasi nakasama ka India, ganyan.
Kasama ni Papa yung India. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi kita. Why did you know? I know you, son.
I know you, son.
I know you and you.
Don't eat me.
I know you, yeah. Wala. Ride lang tayo. Video na kayo.
vlog, welcome to my guys. So now we are here in Tihol. So it's a very nice and wide beach.
This is
now going there.
this is another place, third place with Neger.
Negged. My father is very happy. He never been happy like this before. Oh my god. See?
Lord. What a nice place.
It's a mountain.
It's a sea.
See the two more there. They still sleepy. They bring their blankets. Oh my god. It's very nice here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Ayun na, wala lang.
Very hard. Not very hard.
Huh, very hard.
Pagano ko rin eh, puro na ng mga
There's a nigger, no? You say? No.
Where?
Nigger.
Ano ng mga? Mas tiyanak. Baka ba daw ang mga Chinese, mga food.
Ako, hindi sila tabi dito.
Why?
Sabi ng pinakaretang anak rin there sa tiyanak. Pakalawin, yun nga pakalawin din Marok.
Where's the tiyanak? This is? Ay, oh my God.
We are now leaving the Keyhole place here in Boracay. And now, let's proceed to another place. New Coast. I'm so happy, even very hot, but still, kayang-kaya pa. See you next place, next destination. Thank you so much. We are so happy and welcome to Boracay. This is our tour guide, Jan from Boracay with love. Thank you so much. See you next place.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So we are here again. Our energy is 80% dropping because of very heating. So now we are go to the next destination. The fourth destination will be the New Coast. New Coast.
And the port destination.
The New Coast. There, in the New Coast, there's a lot of brand Lacoste.
Wala pa, surprise ang
Diba? Ay, napasok pa ba yun? Okay guys, see you in a bit. Goodbyers. Pagat. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Okay, now we are finished our fourth destination. We are now going fifth destination, which is Boca Beach! Everybody say Pikachu! Pikachu! O di ba nakalaududu? Okay, so Boca Beach, here we come. See you later. Bye-bye!
Sa New Coast.
Welcome back guys! Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. So next and the final destination. We just finished in Boca Beach. Now we're going to the Grotto! Grotto is like a secret place. It's like altar. It's not like, it's an altar. That is the last destination. Please say hi to the vlog guys. Hi! Hi, and the other side of the Philippines. Hey! Pe! She already tired and wants to bake swimming. And that is the last part. Peace out, bros! My life is stereo. It's a listen close. Feel my heart and every note.
Dito tayo nung
Make me a radio. Tell me nothing you can know. Sing a thing for you. Hear the thing from stereo. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Ma! Kuya!
guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So this is the last no, finish already the land tour. Now we're going to our room, our hotel room.
How was your experience?
So based on my experience, it's you know, it's speechless. It's experiencing. It's very nice, very good.
Bakit patagilid na siya?
No, Uncle Bill is there. he's with us.
Ang dami sila papatigan.
So now we are going to a hotel. All the experience is very nice. Sida. So this is our hotel here. We are in the Esquinita. We're going to our room. All the places that we've been through. Very nice. It's very good. Because, you know, breathtaking. You know, breathtaking is like you need oxygen. So,
Smells like your breath stink.
it's very good. I don't know what to say anymore. Boracay is number 1. This is the remastered of Boracay. Thanks for Atko
And to me.
and to Lalay and everyone here in the Philippines. I love you all. Ooh. See you later.
Si Tina.
Kayong gumamit to para sa kanya.
Ha? Ayun, tingin ka sa video.
Welcome to the sea.
Ang cute, meron pa rin siyang bilog.
Nok, load na tayo, Nok. Load, Nok. Aray ko.
Hindi pa kayo nakatayo.
Oh, maganda yung load. Ayoko, sige po.
Game. 1, 2.
Pinarda na kang papa mo.
Isa po. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Ikaw naman, te. Ako naman.
Ayun nga, saan mo
Hindi,
yung
ako. Yan. Para pagluto tayo.
Ay, kalaki ko naman. Iwasan mo doon.
Ikaw na malapit yan.
Dalan pa.
Maganda yan. Okay.
Wait lang pa din.
Tanggalin mo yan.
Dano yung salamin ko din pala.
Okay. 1, 2. Sabihin, tagal mo kami mo kayo. 1, 2, 3. One more shots. 1, 2.
Wala pa pala. Kayak girl. Tapos, surfing boy. And mom. Ayan, sa surfing. Si kayak girl, pinagdadaanan na. Parang ayoko na magpakayak. Surfing boy. Kasi kayak girl with one frame. Oh. Oh, balance. Uy, sino yun? Oh. Si mama.
Boracay.
Ayan silang pamilya, tatlo sila. Hi! Galing. Ayan po. Papunta po sila ng West Philippine Sea po. Ayan po, bahala na po kayo po. Sana walang pating. Ayan po, papunta na po sila ng ano yan. Hindi ko alam kung West Philippine Sea or... Ayan yung ating nila. Amoy galing tingnan. Yun ang pinipicturan. Bunso ko. Ayan. Ayan. Isa natin pinipicture. Kita nyo yan. Napakapagaya siya. Ayun naman yung mama nila. Katapos lang maligo nila lamig. Ayan po. Diba? Ayan po. Patuloy po ang kasiyahan dito sa bahay. Sa kaling tao. Ito po ang tektorya. Ang dalawang magkakapatid. Ayan. Ayan. Isang Hollywood artist at isang local artist. Ayan sila. Hindi mo nakikita yun. Mayroong isang pamilya po. Mayroong isang pamilya na doon. Ayun po sila. Ayun po. Nagpapangka sila. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila. Kung nakakata. Ibig ko sila. Tapos sila. Ayun. Ayan. Ganyan lang yung pagkain. Ay, yes, sure.
Ay, sama pala to. Dali. Wala na tayo. Dali. Ako na, ganun din. Ito ba?
What up vlog? Welcome to my guys. So we are now in our last night here at Boracay. Hi, my night. So we're going to Gala Gala and going to have a dinner. And we are thinking about this one, the Andox. But we still don't know. We still don't decide yet. But maybe we will eat here. So here's we will try to eat. Then we go Gala Gala until there. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye.
Lechong.
Isang jumbo manok. Ano ba? Tsaka yung kay Sophie Loki. Pepsi, sa Pepsi. Isa lang yung 1.5. Dalawa.
Ate, dalawang leche flan.
Papanggap na siya ulit. Papa.
Meron ka.
Ma.
Ma! Hello!
Video siya.
Hello.
Pagod daw, ma?
Oh, kalaw. Eto. Si Kuya Iron Man. Iron Man. Pakita mo Iron Man.
Yan pero masaya.
Oo, nagkaroon.
Ay, bali yung tabutin yung kita sa buwan. Kaya sana na kayo tsuyo.
Pero di naman.
May toothpick tayo. Tara na! Pakita pa na.
Live video.
Siguro may isang babae na demand, tapos lumakin.
Toothpick, hanapin na lang. Ay, na lalaki ah. Kamagyan, dinauwi na kami bukas.
Ah, buti ito yung sinabi. Iyan naman yung buril kaya kami. Hindi kami ang Bisaya kami nga talaga eh. Nagipateke talaga.
Harap na po kayo may short chok. Ay, sa pindara ko.
Binibili kami dito ng dado ng kami ma'am. Hindi na kami kumain dito ng laging busog.
Pero natawa kay mama.
Oo,
Hindi.
tawag ako ng tao sa likod. Kaya
Pwede
may
ba
bugnak,
nag-uusapan
may bugnak,
namin?
igutan na mo na yan. Anya dyan, toothpicking tawo!
Wala ako sa kasisuguran.
Mati ko may...
Mo, ako pa mo ngayon eh. Dapat may
Tapos
toothpick kayo.
Tapos nung may narinig niyo may toothpick. Sabay exit eh.
Kaya naman yan.
In-order mo to.
Pinilo yan. Inumin mo yan. Ano hinanap niya? Ano hinanap niya? Ano?
Yung... Ngarap mo na sa akin ako.
Ano?
Yung... Ngarap mo na sa akin ako. Hi! Bye! Hello, hello, hello!
Ito namin trip mo.
Sige, tingin. Hello! Tingin, tingin. Bye-bye! Oh, takpan yun eh, takpan yun eh. Sige, tingin.
Patay din natataig pa yan.
Bye-bye!
Pinilisin.
Takpan yun eh, takpan yun eh.
Hello, this is our last day. To our trip, kamo. Hindi naman last day ba may last day? No. Ayaw, mag-height lang kayo. The height.
Ay, mag-height lang.
Sumama ko, sige nga, kung matangkad ka.
Mag-picture na kami lang. Lapis.
Video to, ayusin mo, nakikita yung tunay na ugali mo dito. Game na.
Knock dito lang.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Sabi, Cam. Tigay pa yung ako din nga po umalang. Malakong po nga na din.
Menokin.
Grabe, vlogger na ako. Ako pa yung photographer. Di man lang kayo nahiya sa choker kung bulak lang eh. Point 5. 1, 2, 3. Eh, hindi na nga kasya. Ginaganin mo pa. Nilalabas pa yung kamay niya. 1, 2, 3. Sino tong mayor daw ang nakasalamin na to? Wala bang araw? Sige, ala ko na. 1, 2, 3. Sumusunga pa si Maui. 1, 2, 3. Ayos na to.
Maui sa Moana.
Oo. Pulgoso ako. Pulgoso ako. Ikaw si Maui, di ba? Maui pulgoso.
No. This is our last day.
Yeah, this is the last day.
Our body now is again.
We're heading to the fire exit.
Hi, we're going now downstairs. Eat our breakfast. And this is our last day here in Carmela Hotel, located in Boracay.
Tupis sana yan kung wala lang hadlak sa akin. Eto, si Maui.
Let's eat. Maui.
Si Maui ang hadlang. Ayaw niya maging Moana ako. Wait lang, ma'am, dito. Ito pala yung outfit ko. Ma'am, dito po kayo. Dito po yung restaurant banda. Mamaya po, ano na lang, padagdag na lang po ng ano ko, ha? Tip, ha? Ay, ako po pipindot, sir. Ako po pipindot. Wag po kayo. Stay still.
Don't breathe.
Baka po di mamulaklak eh, kasi dapat mabait lang ako. Malalanta to pagka kay Maui. Ay,
This
sorry.
is third. Everybody's with inside. Down, ground. Yes.
Ito kay mama.
Yeah.
Pula-pula pa mukha mo.
Baby face, big face.
Ay, ang bait ni Ate Pino dito. Oh.
Nilalagyan ba yan?
No. Oh, same building. How are you?
Ako na lahat.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Hindi yan, dyan yung parang tayo lahat.
1, 2, 3.
Take this.
Okay, done.
Down, down.
Uy, di ba?
Tama na yan.
Bakit yan?
Bumalik.
Pinindot mo ulit yung treasure. Sila Carmela.
Excuse me sir, di po nilalaro ang elevator dito ha? Pakiayos-ayusin po yung mga galaw nyo. Paalis na lang po kayo ha.
Taas.
Sanay sa atin yun.
Elevator girl.
Oo.
Ikaw yung vlogger.
Wag mo nang ituloy mama.
Nabubuhay tayo.
Saan ka pupunta?
Ay, stab!
Ano makakaya dito ako? Ako nagpinili ka gamit. Hindi ko tiyaga.
Bakit? Kung saan ka galing pa? Makihingi na lang ako sa'yo. Ano yung isa? Chicken kong. Sarap na ako. Ano ang kikimakan? Uy, egg, your favorite. Kopingin nga pa isa. Thank you very much. Shortcut. Ano ka diet ka nun? Oh, diet ka?
Again?
Shortcut. Ito pala ang hirap pala naman mag-vlog.
Bigyan mo muna pag-vlog mo din.
Hindi nga para magkita na last na to eh.
Last na, uwi ka na.
Yeah.
Basta huwag mo kalimutan ni Portia para mga tayo pa.
Ay, kung kaya nga, atog kita.
Ilan? Ito na lang. Busin mo to ah.
Pag di ko pala sana.
Bigyan mo sa akin. The other way. The other way. Papa.
Crazy. This is my way.
Pork giniling.
Crazy.
Pork giniling. Ay, mga kabit dyan, mga kabit.
Like this.
Pabit-bitin mo nga yung plate ko. Ay, ako na lang bigyan mo. Bigyan mo ko. Pabigyan mo ko. Nag-date siya konti lang. Ayun sila. Ano ako hindi ka nagdadala? Ito.
Iwain muna tayo, may ilang kayo.
Ikaw.
Kung mapalit kayo, mapalam ka tabi sa'yo ng
Doon kayo ka. Ayan ito, tama?
Wait lang. Wait lang, Sophie. Ah! Sandali lang kasi.
Wait.
Nagkakagulo pa yung mundo. Gusto mo picture, te? Maayos ka lang. Kitang-kita sa video. Di ba sila maayos?
Pwede mo iharap din sa'yo.
Dito ko dito. Ito yan. Ah, Sophie. Ayun, sa likod.
Hello. Subo. Subo, Barak. Barak sa Barak. Kami. Pero first, maglalakad muna kami.
Mama.
Meron kami pang pasalubong ng kitchen. Hello! Alice in the Wonderland.
Mukha mo yun eh. Video mo kami dito. Yan. Si mama mo, si papa mo. Yan. Yan.
Say hi to vlog.
Mukha mo ha.
Yun, so mamayang we will go to the Pacific Ocean. We will go to outside. So we will just wait because there's a truck going. So later 3 p.m. we will gonna flight now. This, I brought this in Pakiko? Anong pangalan ng nung pinuntahan natin na beach? O bukal kaapon?
Beach. Kapon.
Apo.
Puka Beach.
Poca Beach. I sell this in Poca Beach. So, we are in the ocean. So, I don't hindi ko tatanggalin yung ano ko.
Sapatos mo, malagyan ng buwan.
Mabilis lang po. 10 minutes.
We're here in the beach na.
Self-service.
Ate,
Hello. Masa na si ate?
pwede sumali ate. Sumali.
Ikaw. Sa'yo daw na. Paano to? Ang gawin dyan. Wallet free.
Lager ka ate.
Good morning po. Yan po ang castle na ginagawa po nila. Sa simula nakikita nyo para po silang naglalaro. At this moment po, ayan po, nag-assemble na po silang pinaka-tore or castle po. Mamayang pati po, meron pong Boracay na nakalagay dyan. Ayan po. Ayan. Napakaganda po ng dagat. Hindi po mabalod, hindi po magulo ang katubigan. Ayan na po. As we started po, ayan na po. Apat po silang gumagawa. Napakahirap po palang gumawa ng castle. Ayan po. Pero complete recados po ang kanilang mga gamit. Through white sand. Ayan po. Nandito po ako ngayon sa station 2 habang namimili po ang pamilya. Ayan po sila. Makikita po ninyo, nandito po kami sa harapan ng Lil Time store kung saan po namimili po sila ng mga pasalubong sa mga friends. Ayan po si Chen Chen, si Lalay, Lamay, at saka si My Love, Lani.
Yeah.
At ang aking apo na kanina po nakaupo, ang bait. Ayan po siya.
Yan,
Mabait po siya. Ayan po. Apo.
Okay vlog, welcome to my guys again. So this is the last day of our vlog. No, not vlog. Stay here at the Boracay. So we're off to go. We're going back to Manila. Manila, no. Clark, SM Clark. Sorry for that. Clark International Airport. Yeah. So we all pack up. We are all packed up. So everybody say goodbye, La Carmela, Boracay. Thank you for staying with us. So the hotel actually stay with us, not us stay with the hotel.
Sinilit mo ba yung babae pa?
So, see you on Clark International Airport, guys. We all gonna miss Boracay Remastered. Hashtag #1 family. Family is everything. Everyone, say haha. Okay, see you again later. Bye. So now we are in the port. Taban Port. We're going home to Aklan Beach, Aklan Island. We will ride there the van on the way to the airport. So this is. So I will show you what we will ride today. So those are rides. I don't know which is which. So this is my birthday, 17. My birthday, 17. Let's go. Now we are going. Let's go. Hey. Say hi. Where are you guys? It's Hive. It's Hive. Yes. Alright.
Ay, my God!
Hi. Ako dyan, ako mauna. Baba, ako muna. Ako muna.
Yan, Papa muna! Papa!
Magbibidyo ka muna. Ako nga muna.
Alright guys, look at me. I'm the first one. We're going home.
The second one.
Alright.
Senior and the angels.
There. Say hi, mother, brother.
Hi, hello. Very tired. I'm so tired.
Hey, say my face. My face is red. I'm turning red. Hey guys. My God, you turn up now. See you again later. Bye bye. We are now inside of the boat, and it's very hot. There's my para. There's my sister, my wife, and my daughter. And my another sister, and my #1 mother. Alright guys.